How to fix Snapchat camera. First thing guys, all what you want to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it. Click on force stop and then go to the permissions. Disable all the permissions and enable them back again. Go back and then click on the storage, click on clear data and click on clear cache. After that, go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it like this. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.